Welcome to the Learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript tutorial series. In this video, we're going to talk about CSS borders. If you remember, we always create every folder for each tutorial lessons, and you go see these tutorial lessons for my GitHub profile. So just go visit for my GitHub profile. So just go to github.com/JerryWebman Learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript series. You go see all the videos where I don't post, and all of them there for the master branch. So now we'll dive back to the code. So for this our video, we're going to discuss about CSS borders. And if you notice, what we get for inside the content of this our page now, this is a paragraph. When we go our browser, go check them, we'll get this is a paragraph. So basically, CSS borders now those things where every element gets a certain border around them. So for you to access those borders or design those borders, you go fit access them through the CSS border style. If you notice, we style the paragraph tag, and with inside our inline styling inside our page, we use the p tag. So that's to target this paragraph tag. If we get many paragraph tag here, now see the same p tag, we go fit use target them. So make I get many border style here where I want more check, but more check this dotted border style. I go save them now. I go back to the page and I go reload. So you see all the paragraph where I tell you as we replace them, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 4 they show for the browser here 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you notice, you go don't see most things for all these recent websites where they use borders to design website. If you give the borders with this style where they see now border style dotted property. Now more try the dash, more see how it look like. I go save now and I go reload, so we go see how it look like. I go save now and I go reload them from here. So see as this dash look like. If it is say it is bigger than the dotted. Make we try out the solid. I go save now and I go reload. You see as the solid look like. We'll try out the double. I go save now and I go reload. The double they show saying 2 lines of border now input. So show saying double. Make we try out the groove. I go save now and I go reload. So you see as the groove look like. So they still get different types of border style, but these are the ones we'll go cover for this tutorial. If you still learn the other ones, if you do your research, but basically with these ones you are good to go in understanding what CSS borders be. Now more will give this border a color. So they get another property that they call border color. If you see I'm saying, don't they even show us for here. Border color. If we select, let's say we select aqua, more save and reload. You see the border color change. We still give the border various properties like border radius. Border radius go show go make these edges curve. Like make a curve. So if you see now, you go see the edges they straight here. But make I give the border radius, make I give them like if they taking a value of percentage, so you see and then I give them 20%. I go save now and I go reload, so you go see them. You see as they curved. Now if you notice this 20% too wrong, now why it look odd. Make I give them like around 5% just to take out the edges. So I go save now and I don't reload. You see I say now only the edges now they turn small. So now that's for border. There are still other various properties where if you give the border, just do your research, you go learn more. But with this, we are good to go. At least you don't understand what border styling they're all about. So now this one we talked about the border style, we talked about the border color, and we also discussed wetin border radius be. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I go see you in the next video.